This is Dominic and Mariah in the backyard. Dominic's trapped. He was coming from his car. You can't see over there in the corner. It's the abominable snowman! This is our backyard, guys.